Long, long ago, in the green mountains of Korea, a kind mother lived with her two brave children. Once upon a time, a kind mother lived in a little cottage with her two children, brave Hammy and little Dari. One day, Mama walked to the village to sell rice cakes. "Be good and wait for me," she said with a warm smile. "I'll be home before the moon comes out." Mama walked over the big green mountain. She sold every single rice cake. "My children will be so happy," she said, putting the coins in her apron pocket. Jingle, jingle. She started walking home as the sky turned orange and pink. But behind a big rock, someone was waiting. Grrr! A big, sneaky tiger jumped out. "Give me a rice cake, and I will let you pass," growled the tiger. Mama's hands shook, but she was brave. "Here, take one," she said. What do you think happened next? The tiger gobbled up the rice cake. "Chomp! Give me one more." Mama gave him another. Chomp, chomp. "One more," the tiger kept saying. "One more, one more, one more." Soon, every rice cake was gone, but the tiger was still hungry. Mama ran home as fast as she could. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter. She burst through the door. "Children, a tiger is coming. You must hide." Hammy grabbed Dari's hand tight. "Don't worry, Dari. I'll protect you," she whispered. "I'm scared, sister," said little Dari. Knock, knock, knock. "Little children, open the door," said the tiger in a sweet, fake voice. "It's your mama." But Hammy was smart. She peeked through a crack in the door. She saw a big, stripy paw. "That's not Mama," she shouted. "Mama doesn't have stripes." Crash! The tiger broke down the door. Hammy grabbed Dari and ran out the back. "Follow me," she said. They climbed the tallest tree in the yard. Up, up, up they went. "Please, Sky, please help us," Hammy called out loud. And do you know what happened? A golden rope came down from the sky. Hammy held the golden rope tight. Dari held on to her. Whoosh! The rope pulled them up, up, up into the sky, higher than the mountains, higher than the clouds. The tiger tried to climb, but his rope was old and rotten. Snap! He fell right back down. Thud! The children rose all the way to the sky. Hammy, the brave big sister, became the bright, warm sun. She lights up the day so no child is ever scared. And sweet little Dari became the gentle, glowing moon. He watches over children at night while they sleep. Even now, when the sun shines bright and warm, that's Hammy smiling down at you. And when the moon glows softly at night, that's little Dari making sure you're safe. The two siblings loved each other so much that they light up the whole sky. Can you see them smiling tonight? And so, The brave sister became the bright sun, and her gentle brother became the soft moon, watching over all the children of the world. Sweet dreams, little one.